Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2025 Valley 2-horse straight load bumper pull. This is a steel trailer. This does have the blackout package, so it's got the black gravel guard up on the nose. It's got 2 windows in the dressing room. It is this is silver in color, sorry. Silver in color, has 2 full escape doors, does have running board, sliders on the rear. It's got the black graphics or piping there along the side, blacked out wheels. Pretty smart looking. I really like the black on the silver. It has a rear ramp with Dutch doors that do fold back. I've got them folded back currently. It is big and open. It is 7'6" tall, 6'8" wide. It's got tie rings on either side. It's got chest and rear butt bars, padded airflow middle divider. Does have a spare. The dressing room door just shut, so I'll kind of step back. So it's got an escape door on this side, full escape door on both sides. That's got it shut. Let me open up this door again. It's got lockable locks. So it's got a brush box on the door. Dressing room has 3 saddle racks. It's kind of nice. 3 saddle racks, bridle hooks. That saddle rack does come out. So 2025 Valley 2-horse straight load bumper pull, silver in color with the blackout package. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. One last thing, I always like to kind of show the hitch. This is a 2 5/16 ball. I do not have it locked. 2 5/16 ball. So Carolina Trailer Sales, this is Ashley. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks guys.